In this video, I'll be showing you how you can chat with customer support on UC browser. Simple and easy. So all you need to do is just tap on the VPN there. You can see the arrow there. Just tap on that. So after that, you can see the customer support logo, top right corner of your screen. Just tap on that. You see an arrow there on the screen too as well. So good. So on here, they have some articles that are going to help you. So you can see if you have a problem with the VPN, if you have a premium account, if you have a problem with your account itself, you select any of them. VPN, you see it moves to VPN. Good. So here we want to solve a problem we are encountering on our main account, something like that. So now let's come back. We want to text them, so we tap on the feedback here. Good. So we'll be sending them a feedback. So let's say we are going to select function usage. We describe our problem. We can even add links of our choice. We add an email, our contact. We upload a screenshot of our problem. If you have a video, if you have a file too, you can just upload it and you submit it, and that's it. So they'll contact you through the contact information you gave them, a WhatsApp, something like that, or even an email, something like that. They are going to send you the contact or the reply to your email and also the WhatsApp number you give. That's it on how you talk with the live support or customer support on UC browser. Simple and easy. If you are new here, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Peace.